Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll show you how you can actually install the Gameturbo 4.0 in any Mi phone and in any Poco phone. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to demonstrate this video, and this video will be very simple and very straightforward and is the experience friends. I did use the Gameturbo for the past I think close to 5 to 6 days of usage. I did not feel any kind of huge difference I would say at this moment, but definitely in case if you want to try, you can definitely install. So this is a new type of interface which you will be seeing in the Gameturbo 4.0 when you compare with the previous Gameturbo 3.0. As you can see the difference how it is between the latest one and the before one. You can see the quite difference is there. So let me just show you exactly how to install. For this you need to just download one APK file which is available in my Telegram group. So I'll try to copy and paste the APK in my Telegram group. As you can see, make sure to join my Telegram group. So there you need to download the APK security application, which is the security 5.5. yes, so in order to install the Gameturbo 4.0 you need to download the security application. So before that you need to uninstall the security application whatever is present in your device. So in my case I'm trying to use the Poco F3 GT device at this moment. As you can see, Poco F3 GT, which I'm going to demonstrate on this particular phone. I did uninstall the security application from this device and I did install this new application. In case if you want to go back to the previous Gameturbo 3.0, you can definitely use this backup file. So that is the reason, try to use some backup applications before actually installing the new security application. So once you install the new security APK, there will be nothing much difference from the previous APK. You will not see anything, but only you will be seeing in the Gameturbo, that's it. Even in the Gameturbo experience as well, there is nothing much difference. Everything, animation, everything is same. All the settings are completely same. Only the thing is that while playing game, only then you will be seeing a lot of difference. That's it. As you can see, only while playing the games. As you can see friends clearly. Other than that, you won't be able to see any kind of difference at all in terms of the Gameturbo 4.0. In terms of the performance wise, I did not see any kind of huge difference at this moment while playing the games. I did do separate video as well, so make sure to check those videos. So these are the step-by-step process friends, how you can actually install the Gameturbo. First, uninstall the security application. Before that, backup. Yes, backup. Do the backup for the security application. Download any app backup application. As you can see, there are so many applications available in the Play Store. You can try to download one of the application and try to backup the whatever the security application you are having first. Yes, first do the backup. After doing the backup, try to download the file which I posted in my Telegram channel. So try to download that security APK and try to install. So once you install, that's it. Even you don't need to do any kind of reboot or anything, that's it. So just need to install that APK file and done. The Gameturbo will be completely changed to the Gameturbo 4.0. As you can see, this is how it looks overall. I did see really good type of design, but overall I did enjoy this kind of small interface which is present in this phone. As you can see, which looks really minimalistic on the top, which doesn't disturb any much of the game at all. But this one looks completely kind of close to Realme type of game space. So that is one thing which I'm just mentioning at this moment. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you're having any other doubts on this Gameturbo 4.0, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to join my Telegram group and download this APK if you want to enjoy this Gameturbo 4.0. And you do get plenty of options as well, clear memory, brightness, everything can adjust from here as well, and even Wi-Fi casting, screenshot and screen recording, do not disturb mode, and here you do get the performance and the balance mode. This is the one thing which got changed. As you can see friends, that's the one thing, that's a good advantage. In case if you want to improve slightly performance while gaming, you can do that. And real-time FPS data is visible. Only CPU percentage is visible. There is no GPU percentage. Previously it used to be GPU percentage as well, but right now there is no GPU percentage is visible. And all these are floating applications which you can actually use in this phone while playing the games as well. That's the one thing. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you're having any other doubts on this Gameturbo 4.0, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video until instead of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.